Joining me in the booth for Minis versus Mustangs, all the way from New Zealand, we have NZ Racing and Hot Wheel Boys. And first up in Heat 1 is NZ Racing. Mate, you're a massive Mini collector. How do you think these Minis will go up against those mighty Mustangs?
Kia ora from New Zealand. Hey, look, it's great to finally be here at Mount Western Raceway, and what an amazing track. Amazing for the Minis, because they're going to absolutely dominate here due to those two rather sharp and technical corners, and we all know it's common knowledge that Minis will out-handle any muscle car.
Well, it's a tall task for the Minis, but I reckon they're up to it. We know how strong the Mustangs are on Mount Western Raceway. Well, let's look at our cars in the first heat.
What do we have here? Two late model Minis, a 2011 Countryman and a 2001 Mini Cooper. Both extremely fast vehicles.
First up for the Mustangs is the 69 Black Ford, and right alongside of that is the green Custom 15 Ford. Here's your race rules. Both a Mini and a Mustang with the highest points will advance on to the semi-finals. It's 4 for a win, 3 for second, 2 for third and 1 for fourth place. If we're tied at the end of each heat, there will be a race-off. This is a 4-lap race and cars do swap lanes after each race. The Countryman goes hard into turn 1 and here come the Mustangs.
Good to see the Countryman way out in front and whoa, okay, a bit of a wheel spin there, and he's going to let the Mustang win that race. Nice.
That's right, NZ. What a fantastic overtake that was by that black 69 Ford. And how about the Minis on fire out of the first race?
Haha, you're not wrong there. Both Minis grabbing the minor placings, and oh, hello, there's the 69 Mustang trying to do the backstroke down to the finish line. Wrong sport there, bro.
Looking at second and third, very tight there between the two Minis. All set for race 2.
Both Mustangs up front with the Minis pressuring them all the way to turn 1.
The Mustangs pulling out hard and fast.
Down straight towards turn 2, the Minis are going to take them on the inside and win this race unless the Mustangs are a lot faster, which they are.
That was a slow time, but a very fast and late charge there by the Ford Custom 15.
A nice 1-2 win there by the Mustangs, and congratulations to the Minis for allowing them to win that one.
The Mustangs putting the pressure on the Minis out of race 2. Let's look at the minor placings.
Second place goes to the Black Mustang with the Countryman right up his behind. Not too sure what the Cooper's doing there. He's probably looking for that barbecue that's going on down the garage area here.
Race 3, and we have the green 15 Ford Custom on the inside. The 2001 Mini Cooper. Oh, it's a battle to the turn, ladies and gentlemen.
The Countryman squeezed his way into second place. He's going for first, but oh, come on, that Mustang is way too fast for him.
I honestly thought out of turn 1, the Minis were just going to take on these Mustangs and wipe them off the track, but not to be.
Yeah, 100% agree with you there. However, if one of these Minis didn't keep stopping all the time to take photos, they'd be doing a lot better.
Looking at the minor placings, we've got the Countryman coming in second. Very close behind him, though, is the Black Ford Mustang. Race 4, NZ.
Now you're talking. Both Minis on pole. Woo, look at them go.
Both the Minis flat stick on MWR.
Look at the Minis show the Black Mustang how you can do a 360 at 100 mile an hour and not lose control. Doesn't really help with the placings, but it looks good.
The Mustangs are dominating force on Mount Western Raceway, but the Minis putting up a sensational fight out of Heat 1. The Custom 15 Ford bringing 2 points in for the Mustangs.
Obviously, this race has taken a toll on the little fella's energy, so the Mini Cooper's just taken a wee little nap. But at the winning end of the race is the Countryman in second, and we got the Mustang Custom in third.
Let's look at the scoreboard for tonight. Both the Mustangs bring in 10 points and 13 points. They're out front on 23, and both the Minis bring in 6 and 8 points, bringing a total of 14.
Yes, it's good to see the 2011 Mini Countryman making it through the semis. Kept in great company, obviously, with the Black Ford there. Great racing by these two tonight.
NZ, how do you think the Minis went tonight, straight out of Heat 1 on Mount Western Raceway?
Well, as you said, it's only Heat 1, and with a few classic Minis coming up, we're going to see some pretty amazing driving in the next few races. The Mustangs are quite lucky tonight. However, I don't think they'll be as confident after the next few races.
That's a fair call there, NZ. We are a long way from the finals with 5 more heats and 2 semis to go. So until then, it's good night from Mount Western Raceway. Catch you later. A big thank you to our sponsors for this program, NZ Racing, CRC Racing and Po Boy Racing. A big thank you to NZ Racing and Hot Wheel Boys. Check them out on their social media outlets. Give them a thumbs up and comment down below.